In this video, I will explain how to use the straight line depreciation method. So when we're using this method, here's the formula we can use to calculate the depreciation expense each year. We simply take the original cost and then subtract the salvage value and divide that by the useful life. So let's take a look at an example of how to actually use this formula. This says Tom purchases a piece of manufacturing equipment for $20,000. It has a useful life of 8 years, after which its salvage value is estimated to be $4,000. Use the straight line method to find its full depreciation record. So to figure out the depreciation expense for this piece of equipment, we're just going to use this formula up here. So we have the original cost, which we're told is $20,000. Then we're subtracting the salvage value. So for this one, we say the salvage value is estimated to be $4,000. So we'll subtract that amount. Then we simply divide that by the useful life in years. So we're saying it has a useful life of 8 years, so we'll divide by 8. So $20,000 minus $4,000 is $16,000, and then we divide that by 8. 16,000 divided by 8 is $2,000. So under the straight line depreciation method, our annual depreciation expense is going to be $2,000 on this piece of equipment. And we're going to use this depreciation expense for a total of 8 years, which is the useful life of the equipment. So here's what this looks like in a full depreciation record. So in year 1, our annual depreciation expense is going to be $2,000, which is what we just calculated. Now, the accumulated depreciation at the end of this first year is just going to be $2,000, since that's the total amount that we have depreciated so far. And the book value of this piece of equipment is going to be the starting value of $20,000 minus the total accumulated depreciation of $2,000. So $20,000 minus $2,000 leaves us with a book value of $18,000 at the end of the first year. Then in the second year, we're taking the exact same annual depreciation expense. So this is the key feature of the straight line depreciation method. Every year we're taking the exact same annual depreciation expense. So now at the end of 2 years, our accumulated depreciation is going to be $4,000 because so far we've taken a total of $2,000 plus another $2,000. So $4,000 total. And then the book value of this piece of equipment is going to be the original value of $20,000 minus the total accumulated depreciation of $4,000. So $20,000 minus $4,000 leaves us with $16,000. And we just continue in this manner for all 8 years, so the total useful life of this piece of equipment. And what we'll find is that the book value at the end of 8 years is exactly equal to the salvage value, which we said is estimated to be $4,000. So that is a quick example of how to use the straight line depreciation method to calculate the annual depreciation expense for a piece of equipment.